Hello everyone. Today is 29 September 2021. Today we discuss about the contentment in Java. Firstly, what is the contentment? The contentment it can indicates the one object can be contain the another object in a program. The contentment is used to the contentment is used to used the contentment is used only within a parent class. It can be declared as a private. The being the restrictive in a class is as the import as being the restricted in a class by itself. Why the contentment can important in object oriented programming? Because the contentment can allows to data view by the different granularities by the different user. The example the bicycle design data type. Firstly, the bicycle design data type, we can design the different parts of cycle. Example is the wheels of the cycle can be viewed by the wheel designer, and the bicycle can be viewed by the sales and the person. The relationship of the contentment is to one to the more relationship from the parent entity to the class entity. The contentment can automatically create when the entity instant is the contentment can automatically create when the entity instant of the class is added on the base of the entity. Then the contentment can be defined. The inheritance is the most approach to the code reuse, but the contentment can provide the alternative use of the inheritance. The among the ability to control which the member is in present in a class is to be available in the other class. The difference between contentment and the inheritance is the contentment can reuse the code from the final class. In a method we cannot use the run from the final class. The contentment can run the code one or more times, but in the method run can in a method code can run by one time in a one class only. Then contentment can use existing classes. Method can extend the classes. The code can use in multiple time in a contentment. The code can only one time and only one method we can use in method. The contentment is has a relationship, and the method is an is relationship. The contentment can also the contentment can give the example of contentment. We can observe the bicycle with the different object, and the Give the example of method. We can call the